Introducing the new RustOff laser cleaning system from am.co.za. The RustOff laser is a handheld laser that easily removes rust, dirt and paint from metals without damaging the surface. And that means you get welding ready surfaces in no time at all. And with an adjustable power of between 1 and 100%, you get faster and cleaner results every time. No nasty chemicals or consumables needed, and no maintenance needed either on this extremely durable machine. Oh, and it's super economical as well, because it runs off 220 volts and it is a low wattage machine. And also, it is super easy to use. For more information on the handheld laser cleaning system from am.co.za, you're welcome to call sales on 060 600 6000.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.